Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that transform your skincare routine into a moment of luxury. If you're looking for a quick yet powerful boost to your skin's radiance, you're going to want to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss our in-depth reviews that help you make informed beauty choices. Today we're examining the Natura Bissé Diamond Instant Glow Ampoule Trio Express Mini Lift. This is a serum-based, 3-step treatment designed to lift, firm, and illuminate your skin in just 4 treatments per ampoule set. It promises a mini facial experience at home, with each ampoule targeting a different aspect: peel, radiance, and lift. The Peel ampoule combines glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acids to gently exfoliate and renew the skin, promoting cell turnover without oversensitizing. The Radiance ampoule works to replenish moisture and enhance luminosity, giving the skin that coveted glow. Finally, the Lift ampoule focuses on firming and tightening, creating a subtle but noticeable mini lift effect. Each ampoule delivers a concentrated dose of active ingredients in a compact, easy-to-use format. Using this trio is straightforward. You start with the peel, applying a thin layer to clean skin, then follow with Radiance and Lift in sequence. I appreciated how smooth and lightweight each ampoule felt, with no heavy residue or sticky finish. During testing, I noticed my skin felt instantly refreshed after the peel, hydrated and luminous after Radiance, and firmer post-lift. The ampoules are travel-friendly and perfect for quick touch-ups before an event or as a boost during a busy week. The texture and formulation are impressive. The acids are potent but gentle, and the Radiance ampoule leaves the skin feeling nourished rather than tight. One minor drawback is that the effect is temporary, as it's designed for short-term glow and lift, so regular use is necessary to maintain results. In terms of value, the Natura Bissé Diamond Instant Glow Trio is premium priced, which aligns with its luxury positioning and high-quality active ingredients. If you're seeking a one-time intensive treatment for a special occasion, the price is justifiable, though it might not replace daily skincare routines for long-term results. Compared to other at-home mini lift or glow treatments, this set stands out for its convenience and multi-step approach, combining exfoliation, radiance, and firming in one kit. The ampoules themselves are well-packaged, sturdy, and hygienic. Each dosage feels measured, and the overall presentation reflects the brand's high-end image. If you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Natura Bissé has a solid reputation for customer service, though I haven't had direct interaction myself. The brand's guidance and product instructions are clear, making the experience straightforward for first-time users. For those considering alternatives, there are other luxury ampoule treatments on the market with similar benefits, but they often focus on just one aspect: exfoliation or radiance, rather than combining all 3 steps. For a comparable at-home luxury experience, this trio is hard to beat, though if budget is a concern, there are single-focus ampoules at lower price points that still deliver quality results. Overall, the Natura Bissé Diamond Instant Glow Ampoule Trio offers a well-balanced blend of exfoliation, radiance, and firming in a convenient mini lift format. It's ideal for those who want a fast, noticeable glow and firmer skin for special occasions or an intensive short-term boost. If you're looking for a multi-step luxury treatment that's easy to incorporate into your routine, this is a strong contender. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the Natura Bissé Diamond Instant Glow Trio, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to purchase is in the comments and description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.